Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Fleet Updates channel. Here with me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Rafael Hui. And today we'll be talking about an Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Alpha Zulu. And then she took her flight number 63940. She had a great circle distance for 1,987 kilometers, actual flight time 2 hours and 55 minutes, and a track of 205 degrees. This aircraft is special for being the last LA bird to be in the new livery and the youngest LA bird in the fleet. This aircraft took off at 1:03 a.m. local time in Hong Kong Chaplapko Airport at the southern runway 7 right at 1:03 a.m. Yeah, she landed at Beijing at 3:58 a.m. local time there. And I remember this aircraft was toured for long laps December 13, 2020 until September 2021. So for the details of B-LAZ, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto, Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin.